Hello everyone. I've never been to an interior show. I have to say it's very impressive. We've learnt a lot today. But today is a culmination of something positive that came out of Formula One. Generally it wasn't very positive for me. And it's great that I met Phil, who came up with an idea of a new type of seat. And we've always had an issue at AirAsia on seats. And so we worked hard with my chief engineer, Anaz, in developing this new Hawk seat, which we hope is step one in terms of the innovation. At AirAsia, we've always worked with new companies, innovative companies, and trying to get product out. And we're thrilled to announce today we're going to sign a contract for 304 shipsets of Neo and a retrofit of 8. You can see that I'm a very well-informed CEO that has no idea what I'm signing right now, but I have full faith in my chief engineer. We've had a great relationship. It's not been easy getting this together. We've always had lots of issues with seats over the last 15 years as we've gone from 2 planes to 200 aircraft. And recently we put in a 300 aircraft order for Neo, and we're taking our first Neo this year. But this is a seat, it's 40% lighter, but key for us was in terms of maintenance. And we insisted on having less moving parts and easier for our engineers to maintain. So that's step one, and we're already looking at the next iteration of the seat. And obviously AirAsia X will be the next customer. So I'd like to congratulate Phil and all his team, one, for actually getting a deal signed with AirAsia, which isn't the easiest thing in the world to do because we drive very hard, but we're a good customer for all of you there who are looking to be our suppliers. We pay well. We may not pay much, but we pay well. And I'm very proud, Phil, that you made it. So congratulations and good luck in your endeavors going forward. And I have to say, congratulate the exhibition here. I've never seen so much innovation, and it's an exciting time for me to be in the aviation industry, from food to Wi-Fi to even simple things like lighting we've seen. And we're thrilled with the new A320 Neo that we bought and the A330 Neo that we bought in terms of the cabin presentation. So thank you for coming, and we're open to any questions if you want them, but shall we sign the contract? Okay, this is yours. We love the product. From my PA down to the crew, everyone has got rave reviews of it. And
they say yes.
they're the ones that count, to be honest, because they have to deal with unhappy passengers if it's not good. So the whole company's been involved in this process, and we're thrilled, and we look forward to installing it. I think the main thing is it's fairly thin, yet it's comfortable, so there's more space. Obviously, we're taking the option with Airbus to put 186 seats in the new configuration, so space is a premium, and that was the main consideration in making the seat. Obviously, when we came up with the idea for the seat, oil was at a much higher price, so weight was the primary factor in driving for this new product, but also comfort and little things that we were able to do with the table. And we'll innovate in terms of our IFV to put iPads at the back of the table, and we're looking at in-power, things like that we've always wanted as cheaper options. The other problem when we started at AirAsia was actually just getting spare parts. You'd have so many. We actually had one plane at the beginning of our career that was grounded because we couldn't get the spare parts from the supplier. Obviously with an airline such as ours, we carry 60 million people, we do high rotations, there's a lot of wear and tear. So the less number of moving parts, the better for us, and that was what we asked Phil and the team to come up with.